The signal. Prepare for the cosmic transmission.
My name is Sascha Rossaint, and this is The Signal. Welcome, friends, to this beautiful show on this beautiful day. And I applaud you for tuning in because I believe this is going to be quite an awesome journey that we embark on together. Why did I pick The Signal as the topic for this podcast? Well, because I consider the world to be a quite noisy place. Everybody and everything is trying to disrupt our focus. Everything is trying to grab our attention. Our attention is the new commodity that everybody and everything wants, especially the big corporations. They're out to get you. They're out to get me. And in times like this, it seems to be appropriate to focus on the essential, to focus on the signal. What is the signal? The signal is everything that is life affirming, that is essential, that is contributing to our own spiritual growth. The signal is everything that helps us heal, that helps us develop, that helps us step into who we truly are. The signal is everything that helps us overcome the shadows that we have created in our lives. And the signal is also living in line with what the Buddhists and the Taoists call dharma, and the Hinduists as well. And dharma being the path of our soul. So the signal is God's voice. It's the Christ within us, listening to the signal of the Christ within us and following the calling. The signal is stepping onto the path that God set out for us, the path of our soul. And on the opposite side of the spectrum is noise. What is noise? Noise is everything that is not life-affirming, everything that is trying to distract us from living our divine potential. Noise is everything that pulls us further into problems, that pulls us further into using Eastern words, the worlds of karma, the path of suffering, the path of ever deepening entanglements and attachments, and also the path of darkness. Noise is everything out there trying to distract you from yourself. Noise is everything that keeps you from living a life that your soul and your deepest, innermost yearning really calls for. And the funny thing is, we all have this built-in signal detector, but the modern world, society that we live in, has pretty much done a great job at training ourselves to not listen to the signal. We have been trained to pay attention to the noise, media, other people's thoughts and feelings, the naysayers, and all of these influences out there that do not really care about our own path of enlightenment, our path of success, our path of love, of intimacy, of joy. No, they care about our destruction. They care about utilizing the potential and harnessing the energy that we carry within us for their own benefit. The ones that amplify the noise and diminish the signal are the ones that want humanity enslaved. So going back to the signal is an essential, maybe the essential part of moving towards happiness, moving towards fulfillment, moving towards spiritual progress, moving towards personal growth in any human's life. So this is what this show will be about, and I will be taking this topic on from various angles. There will be a mix of reflections, there will be a mix of practices that I talk about. Also, I will bring in business perspective. What does it mean to follow the signal in business and to live our divine creative potential in the realms of business? I'll bring on other people as well to have conversations when appropriate. And really, this show is going to be a journey together with you, the listener, towards living a more signal-focused, signal-centered life. Stay tuned, and looking forward to serving you the best way I can.